Hello and welcome to your daily dose of Satoshi's news. Today's day is Thursday, the 25th of June 2026, the year of Greenwix and BSV Terranode in the mix. Branch of threads, expand your mind with treechat.ai, all your posts put on chain. Alright, so we're going to have to go through these posts on Twitter. First of all, some from Verum Eagle. I run a business and have used Bitcoin, the real one, BSV for actual utility. Instant transaction, micropayments, virtual fees. BTC can't do that. And it looks like a breaking strategy is under investigation. Rosen Law Firm has opened up an investigation into strategy and STRC per O daily. Ooh, we'll get into that. And look at that. The government has secretly opened 12 new asylum centres. Apparently the Speaker of the House was outraged that they haven't even given notice. It's absolutely outrageous what is going on. We'll check the figures because timber, look at this. BTC is under $60,000. Amazing price action. Tether is not defending the price. Look at the market cap. Oh, 24 hours. Look at that. There is nothing happening. There's nothing. It's not defending it. Could this be that the cabal are just thinking we've won anyway? Don't need to do this anymore. You know, surveillance state is coming in. CBDCs, digital ID. Yeah, nothing to worry about anymore. Is that it? Oof. Kind of scary if that's what it is. Don't know what's happened to money. Tree chat, 37 notifications now, and I didn't realize this. Look, private stream. So we can now do, look at that, treechatapp.com stream. Private streams on Tree Chat. That is ace. That is ace. Got some 365 days of Bitcoin history, right? Let's get into it.
Craig says he's Satoshi, like a cowboy in the West, riding on the blockchain that they call the very best. 1 million strong, them transactions flying free. He's acclaiming his legacy, you'll surely see.
Here we go. So let's start with this one. So Verum Eagle said here, I run a business and have used Bitcoin, the real one, BSV for actual utility. Instant transactions, micropayments, virtual zero fees. BTC can't do that. The tragedy, I show people, friends, strangers, how easy it is. Download a wallet, send 2 or 3 cents across the globe in seconds. It works, but they don't care. These are the same people crying about inflation, corruption and broken systems. Yet when handed the solution, they shrug and move on like nothing happened. Back into the matrix we go. Imagine showing someone a hammer that drives a nail effortlessly and they go, nah. That's where we are. BSV provides Bitcoin's original design works, but the masses are hypnotized by price charts and propaganda. They don't want real tools, they want illusions. 2 truths, that's the real scandal. Yeah, absolutely nailed it. That is precisely what is going on. It's heartbreaking, but you know, you just have to deal with them. That's why I said shitcoin is shit for brains. You know, just literally can't say a truer word than that. But check this out. Coin Bureau has posted that said breaking strategy under investigation or investor investigation. Rosen Law Firm has opened up an investigation into strategy STRC per O daily. The firm is reviewing whether investors may seek damages over potential securities law violations, including claims that strategy may have provided material or materially misleading business information. Strategy is the world's largest publicly traded Bitcoin holder, led by Michael Saylor. And let's just have a look at this price dump. Look at this on Gregcoin over here. Oh, look at that on the 24 hour. That is vicious. That is vicious. That's almost like straight down. Let's have a look at that on Live Coin Watch. Oh, look at that. That is brutal. That is brutal. Look, somebody saying, oh yeah, the price is above 60,000. Boom. No, it ain't. No, it ain't. 59,000. It's keeping it under $60,000 for the strategy dividend payments on the 30th of June in 5 days. Oof. My goodness me. I think Saylor's going to be in trouble. You know, I mean, he won't be able to answer like, why is this happening? Oh, I don't know. Talking shit, but I'll tell you why it's happening, because the world is utterly corrupt. Look at this. Read the title of this. I'll just wait for this advert to finish. Look at this. Speaker rages as Labour secretly opened 12 new asylum centres. Okay, in the House of Commons, the Speaker, Lindsay Hoyle, reprimanded the Labour Party government, calling it totally unacceptable in a response to a point of order, accusing the opening of 12 asylum seeking centres without giving notice to Parliament. It's absolutely criminal what is going on.
Sorry, that completes the urgent question. Point of order.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My understanding is that the Home Office are due tonight to announce 12 new asylum seeker centres across the country, with no statement to the House, with no notification for those of us who are here, and I know that this is a very, very important issue to our constituents. I seek your guidance on how we might encourage the government to release this sort of information here first, so that we can scrutinise it on behalf of the people that we represent here in this place.
Can I say, if that is the case, it is totally unacceptable once again. This government doesn't seem to understand that MPs of all sides should hear any news first, as it is their constituents that are affected. And if it's true it was going to a WMS on Monday, that is also doubly unacceptable. What I would say to the Minister is, there's going to release this information. We have between now and the end, and I am more than willing to extend that he can come to this House to inform this House on whose constituencies are going to be affected. It is unfair, it is unacceptable. When will they get the message? There is going to be a change of government. Well, I hope they'll learn in the next people who take over. I don't want to continue a debate, but I'll hear it.
Mr. Speaker, merely to confirm that I have been made aware of the same information as my honourable friend has just put forward to you.
This isn't good enough, and I'm presuming you're the same, that you've heard the message.
It's a variant, Mr. Speaker, but can I thank you for speaking up on behalf of all members from across the House. Deputy Prime Minister...
Look, trying to call them out as if they don't know the government is utterly corrupt. All they're calling it is unacceptable. That just labelling it as unacceptable is unacceptable in itself. Absolutely outrageous is what it is. You know, treason against the people. Treason against the people. Absolutely. Anyway, the only thing that's going to sort it out is Bitcoin. And look at this, the price of Gregcoin, $59,000 being held under. Literally being held under, so it can't breathe under the $60,000 mark, which is going to call into, which is going to make margin calls come in. The longs getting liquidated. In fact, while we're here, let's just have a quick look at these longs, see what's going on. The market is going to be completely and utterly deluded, a bit like the general public over the government. Look at that, they've got no clue. Confidence is still high. Dear oh dear, dear oh dear. But yeah, like transactions 79%, block size 77. Should have some nice juicy blocks coming through here. Look, 10, 20, 10, 46. And then earlier, 67, 34, 10, 24, 18. Beautiful. You know, like, is it enough? Is it too late though? You know, well, we don't really have a choice. But you know, the people are waking up. The government is just charging forward with this treason against the people. Other miners 36.1% on Bcrash. It's you're mining Bcrash at a 12% comparable loss. Oof. Oh, look at that. It's like the mining on Bitcoin doesn't change. But huge moves. But again, government just marching on, confident that they're never going to be held accountable for what they're doing. Tree Chat, they've now got 37 notifications. Lots of people. I mean, this is great. I will try and reply. I'm going to write my article on Paybit. I'll send it out. Somebody else said they'd be more than happy to pay a 1 BSV. Love it. Love it. And loving the fact that we can do a private streaming here on Tree Chat. Tree Chat is looking ace. I'm loving this. Loving uploading video content. It's gonna be more on there. Let's have a look at the wallet. Oh, 0.4 BSV in there. $4.38. Oh, wow. All right, and Bitcoin history. 24th of June 2010 was here's RC1 for Linux for testing. Oh, 25th of June, that's where we are. We need more details about what happened to Mad Hatter. Let's see what this was all about. Bitcoin clients getting K-linked from the IRC bootstrapping channel. Oh, there we go. Look, we need more details about what happened to Mad Hatter. Don't know what that was all about. Both point 2 and point 3 have a backup way of getting connected without IRC. It's just slower to get connected. And a bit too technical for me, but anyway, a little bit of Bitcoin history. Right, quick show today, just 10 minutes. We'll leave it there. Hope you enjoyed it. As ever, be away, take care, stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.
I understand.
Do you?
Do you? This is it. I'm telling you, this is it.
The king still has one more move.